What's the meaning of by the way? By the way. By the way.
By the way. By the way. By the way is an acronym that stands for by the way. It is commonly used in informal conversations, both in online chats and in face-to-face interactions, to introduce a new topic or add additional information to an existing conversation. The use of by the way is particularly prevalent in text messages, social media posts, and email communication. Due to its widespread usage and the brevity it provides to communication, by the way has become a popular abbreviation in informal written communication.